Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael Workshop. Today I'm going to remake this Rush 2112 album cover out of wood for the 2020 Makers Rock album art collaboration. Rush is one of my favorite bands, and this album ranks right up there in my top 3 favorite Rush albums, along with Permanent Waves and Moving Pictures. If you haven't heard these albums, I encourage you to go check them out. Recently, their drummer Neil Peart passed away, and he made a huge impact on musicians and drummers all over the world, and will continue to do so through his music and lyrics. So this one goes out to Neil and his bandmates Alex and Getty, and there's a picture of them right on the back in their awesome outfits. This album lends itself really well to a scroll saw project. I'm going to focus on cutting out the letters, numbers, and the logo, and let the wood grain do the talking for the background. Whenever I make one of these album covers for Makers Rock, I like to give one away and then make another one for myself to keep. So this time I'm going to try to cut out 2 at once on the scroll saw. So stick around to find out how you can enter my giveaway to win one of them. And to get started, I'm going to prepare some maple and cherry blanks that are about 12 1/4 inches square and 3/8 inch thick. Now I'm going to stack the 2 panels on top of each other and stick them together using this double-sided carpet tape. Now this stuff is pretty strong, and when you remove it, it can tear out some wood fiber. So I like to apply some blue painter's tape to both pieces of wood with carpet tape in between, so that it's the tape that's stuck to the wood and not the strong carpet tape. So once I have them stuck together, I'm going to attach my template and drill some starter holes. Alright, my plan after I cut out all the characters and the logo is to switch the colors and put the maple characters into the cherry board and the cherry colors into the maple board, so there's some contrast. In order to make sure everything fits okay, I've made sure my blade is square to the table, and when I'm cutting, I'm going to make sure that I don't flex the blade to either side, because that could throw off the cut and it might possibly make the letters not fit or the logo. So let's get started and cut this project out. I'm using some CA super glue and activator to glue everything together so it'll dry really quickly. And I want the letters and the logo to have a raised look, so I'm going to use some washers as spacers. So let's put them together. Well, here are the finished Rush 2112 Makers Rock album covers, and I think they turned out really cool. Let me know which color you like best in the comments below. That stack cutting method worked really well, and it makes it much easier to make multiples of projects if you have to. I'll have to use that technique again. If you'd like to enter my giveaway for a chance to win one of these awesome wooden album covers, just click the link in the video description below to head over to my website at thecarmichaelworkshop.com for details. Also, the lucky winner will get to choose which color they want. And don't forget to watch the 2020 Makers Rock playlist, linked below, where you can watch all the other participants' projects and enter their giveaways as well. And if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new project video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.